Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer is the ultimate tool for preserving freshness and reducing waste. With a powerful 130-watt motor, it delivers reliable air seals for meats, vegetables, and more. The built-in viewing lid ensures precise bag placement for optimal sealing. Multiple sealing options, including dry, moist, and double seal, provide versatility for various food types. The included starter kit of bags lets you start sealing right away. Its compact design and intuitive controls make it easy to use and store. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for meal prep, bulk storage, or sous vide cooking. Keep your food fresher longer with the Nesco VS12 Vacuum Sealer. Dosa-maker machine. The Euro Cuisine CM20 electric crepe maker is a versatile tool for making crepes, pancakes, and dosas with ease. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution and effortless food release. Adjustable temperature control allows precise cooking for golden crepes or crispy dosas. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store and perfect for any kitchen. Quick to heat, it saves time while delivering consistent results. The included batter spreader helps achieve thin, smooth crepes like a pro. Durable and easy to clean, it's built for everyday use. Elevate your breakfast or dessert creations with this reliable electric crepe maker. Warming mat. The warming mat for food keeps your dishes perfectly warm for hours, making it ideal for gatherings and meals. This electric warming tray features an even heating surface to maintain food temperature without burning. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to use and store when not in use. The durable, heat-resistant design ensures safe and reliable performance. Perfect for buffets, parties, or everyday meals, it's a convenient solution for warm, delicious food. Grain dispenser. The grain dispenser with 360-degree rotation offers a convenient way to store and access your kitchen staples. Featuring 6 individual grids, it keeps grains, cereals, and snacks organized and fresh. The rotating design allows easy selection without hassle, saving time and effort. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's perfect for maintaining a tidy pantry. Simplify meal prep and storage with this versatile and space-saving food dispenser. Elite Griddler. The Cuisinart GR300 WSP1 Elite Griddler is a versatile 6-in-1 appliance for all your cooking needs. Its reversible non-stick plates allow grilling, griddling, panini pressing, and more with ease. Adjustable temperature controls and sear function ensure precise cooking results every time. The sleek stainless steel design is durable and complements any kitchen. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's your all-in-one solution for flavorful meals.